thunderstorm warning for southwestern Albany County and east central New York, central Greene County and east central New York, Schoharie County and east central New York, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near East Meredith, or 10 miles northeast of Delhi, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Oh, it's coming.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Settlement, East Burn, Livingstonville, North Blenheim, Sheffield Corners, Bear Corners, North Lexington, West Burn, Huntersland, Maple Crest, Summit, Knox, Broome Center, West Fulton, Rensselaerville, Sunside, Arabia, Breakabine, Eminence, and Howson's Corners. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has produced sporadic wind damage in Delaware and Otsego counties. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Albany, Greene, and Schoharie. You're listening to NOAA Weather.
I was expecting this. I was watching Brian Hall, y'all. On the top, it said SVR. It said Albany and the other counties. I was like, oh, here we go.